You can grow your hairs very fast by using these useful remedies. Tea mixture. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons tea. Add some water in it and then mix it well. Leave it for an hour. After an hour, take another steel bowl and pour the mixture, then again add 2 cups of water into the mixture and boil it on stove. Boil until 1 cup is left. Let it to cool down. Steam it. Mix it with your shampoo and add half lemon in it. Mix it well and apply it on your hairs. Onions. Take red onions and cut them into medium size. Add it into a blender and grind them, then strain it into a bowl to extract its juice. Add it into a bottle and apply it gently on your whole scalp. Leave it about 30 minutes. And then wash it off. Cloves. Take a glass of hot water and add it into cloves. Leave the cloves on fire for 5 minutes. Filter and put into a closed bottle. Wash your hairs before using this and then sprinkle the scalp with clove water. Coconut oil. Take some fenugreek seeds. Grind fenugreek seeds and strain the seeds. It will become a fine powder. Take some coconut oil and some castor oil into a bowl. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons fenugreek powder and mix them well. Now take some water in a pan and let it become hot. Put the mixture bowl into water, pour in to a bottle, then massage it on scalp. Leave it for an hour, then wash your hairs.